Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play Brawl Stars on low-end PC, updated. Start by choosing a lightweight Android emulator designed for low RAM and CPU usage. Install the emulator, sign into Google, and download Brawl Stars from the Play Store. Close background apps, disable antivirus scans during play, and set emulator CPU to 1 core and RAM to 1024 MB for smoother results. Select an emulator that reports low resource usage and offers a performance or eco mode to limit CPU and GPU drain. Lower the emulated device resolution and set frame cap to 30 FPS to reduce load. Map controls to keyboard for faster inputs and disable unnecessary add-ons or integrated app stores. Test each change one at a time to find the best balance between responsiveness and visuals for your PC. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and more tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks fresh and prevent spills during intense matches. Perfect for marathon sessions when you don't want to pause mid-game. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab them, you'll thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust game and emulator graphics to the lowest acceptable quality and reduce resolution to improve frame rates. Use a wired internet connection or optimize Wi-Fi for lower latency. Close heavy programs like browsers, editors, or sync apps before launching the emulator. Set the emulator process priority to above normal and enable Windows game mode for better performance. Keep drivers updated, but avoid resource-heavy overlays that can increase lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.